everybody. So we got our...
What's Здравствуйте, Andrew?
Oh, hello in Russian.
Oh, hello in Russian. Okay.
Okay, so we got a big box, so we can't really unbox it because the box is really big. So we
How big, Andrew?
Like, it's that big.
The size of the house.
Yeah.
It's massive.
Okay, so we couldn't really fit this stuff inside of it because it'd be a big mess. Okay, so here's our monthly order. Usually we never get it this early, but
Whose monthly order is it?
Dad.
Dad's monthly order. So Mom's has not come. Dad beat me.
Usually they never come early, but they're
They usually come on the 10th.
Okay, so to start off, I use most is Ninja Red. We bought a full 4-pack.
What is that stuff?
Ninja Red. Ninja Red, same thing.
You like it?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you might not like to taste that first, but if you just keep on taking it, like, I'm used to it now.
Okay.
And all of their supplements, too.
It helps keep you well, huh?
Definitely. Okay.
So that's the Essential Rewards Ninja Red pack, which is 4 bottles. And how many sachet packs?
50?
30.
75? Oh, 30?
30, yeah. And we go through those faster than we probably should.
It's too close right there. It's good. Thank you, Andrew.
Okay.
Okay.
You gonna do something else?
Sure, I don't know much about a lot of oils, but Idaho Blue Spruce. I sort of like the smell of it.
It is
Sort of,
awesome.
that's okay.
It's one of the very, very best ones, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's one of Dad's favorites. How come?
We went to Idaho. Oh, that's heavenly. We went to Idaho to the farm where they actually distill that. And it was amazing. It smells just like the farm. Fun memories.
We also got to see all the Blue Spruce.
Okay, what's next?
Idaho Grand First.
We love Idaho today.
Yeah.
This is our Idaho order. This is a shout out to all of our Idahoans. Good stuff.
Yay.
Again, those are just, they're calming, they're soothing, they're almost grounding.
Justin Wilson's from
I
Idaho.
love them.
So,
Okay, what's next, Andrew?
a lot of Idaho oils.
So this is all part of our
This
order.
is, I don't use this a lot, but hand and body lotion,
What
the
flavor?
lavender kind.
Lavender
I don't
smells
think you ever
amazing.
use it.
Yeah, I've never even
That's
heard
the
of it.
girl's favorite, isn't it?
Yes,
That's the
for
girl
sure.
oil. Okay.
I use it.
So next we have our insect repellent. And this stuff, I really enjoy this stuff. I usually can't stand the smell of insect repellent when you put it on, some of the stuff that we purchase from the store. But this stuff, it almost smells like a perfume or like a cologne. I love it. So this stuff is very beneficial. Just need a little bit and it goes a long way.
And get it right now before it goes out of stock in the summertime.
Good use for sure.
Yep. So it says on there for mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas. So get it and use it. Good stuff.
We have Luscious Lemon Hand Soap.
It's
Is that
brand
Have we
new.
had
Yep.
that before?
Never.
It's
Wait.
brand new, isn't it?
I've
You have to
never-
smell
I've
it.
never even heard
What does
of
it smell like?
Lemon?
Yeah, it smells so fresh.
It's-
I just used it today and love it. Huh?
So we already have the pump up. We'll have to use that one.
So, yeah.
So that was our monthly order, wasn't it, Andrew?
Yes.
So now because we
This
ordered,
is our order.
so Young Living
Dad's
threw
ER
in-
order.
What promotions did Young Living throw in for us as a result of the order that we placed?
All the freebies.
Wow.
5 of them.
Let's show them.
Okay. So here's the tall one. I'm going to call the tall Wally.
What's it called?
It's called Deep Relief.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a roll-on.
Yeah, it's a roll-on, which is nice because then you don't have to like dab it everywhere
to
and like
apply.
touch the actual oil because I don't like touching oils because then they just make my hands greasy for like 3 hours. But yeah, so I like the roll-ons or Polly Wally, and then
What do you use that for?
I've never used it.
Okay.
It's good if there's some places where maybe you're discomforted.
I use it on my knee from a torn meniscus that I used to have.
Back or shoulder or neck or some places. Okay,
When I've
let's
had
see
a
what-
headache.
It relieves deep.
Well, it relieves the discomfort that you have in your body.
Yes. Okay. So next, the second popular oil.
I think it's got to be number one, don't you think?
Thieves is number one.
Oh, okay.
Everything
These is number
labeled
one.
Thieves.
Okay.
So yeah, lavender helps with owies, any that like hurts or pain. It's another one sort of like deep relief where it just helps a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like used for a lot of things. I don't know some of them, but
For a lot,
Swiss
yeah.
Army knife. It's relaxation. Bryn uses it every night in her diffuser. She loves it for
you
relaxation.
should always have a bottle as
Next.
well.
Always have a bottle. I agree.
Frankincense.
Mm.
Nice big 15 ml.
Mm-hmm. Those are nice ones.
I don't exactly know what it's used for.
Oh my goodness, it's a gem.
Just for everything. Yep. If you put that on daily, that'll help maintain your wellness for sure.
I love it for my face and my skin every night and my
A
serum.
little on my feet is where I like to put it.
Why do you put it on your feet?
Because I find that that's the easiest place for me to apply it and not have any sensitivity to it.
Okay.
Like,
Kevin
I'm
has
really
sensitive
sensitive.
skin.
I don't
Alright, what's that
know
one?
that much. Endoflex.
Oh, I
I've never
love it.
heard of it. I'm pretty sure it's for flexing.
Show us your flexing.
Flex.
Wow, he uses Endoflex to flex. I love it.
Well, I don't use that.
Mom uses it on her thyroid every day. It's great for energy.
Yep.
I don't think anyone else in our family uses Endoflex, just me.
That's
I've
one
never
special
even
one.
heard of this oil.
We
Okay.
put a famous roller top on it.
Is it like new or something? I've never heard.
No, it's not new.
What's this one called?
I'm pretty sure this is the last thing.
Yep, it is.
Longevity, a nice
I want
Oh, you
to
should smell
I
it.
want to smell that one.
5 ml.
Smell that one. That was
It's for
this was
vitality.
Really, really good.
Andrew, what's Vitality? Why does that label, Andrew, why does it have a white label on it?
It's a vitality oil.
What does that mean? Andrew,
It's ingestible.
you
can-
ingest
Oh, yeah,
it
you
only.
can go-
Whoops, sorry.
Technically, you can.
Yes,
all
Vitality
oil,
is-
it's all liquid, but
Well,
this one is meant.
We can't say that, but yes, it's the same oil as in the other label, and yes, we ingest them too. But with that one's for ingesting.
that one's got a really different smell, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
It probably tastes super bad.
The nights that I don't like our children to,
Super bad.
that I might be frustrated at them, I put that in their diffuser. so it doesn't smell that well.
Ha ha ha.
I never even.
Anything else?
That's the monthly order for us. So
Okay.
Stay tuned for next one. We
Thank
might have
you.
some next time.
Comment below and tell us what's one of these products you've used and how you've used it, and I will
What's
do
your
a
favorite
drawing.
one, too?
Yes, what's your favorite?